Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to automatically turn negative numbers red in Google Sheets. This is a very straightforward process. Start by selecting the data range where you want these changes to apply. Navigate to the top menu, click on Format, and then select Conditional Formatting. A settings panel will open on the right side of your screen where you can set your rules. Under the Format Rules section, click the drop-down and choose Less Than. In the box below, enter the value 0. Now change the formatting style to red. You can see that every number below 0 is now highlighted. If you also want to include 0 itself, just switch the rule to less than or equal to. Make sure your range is accurate, for instance, starting from cell C2. It is that simple. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more. See you in the next tutorial.